Here's how to update your iPhone software. Now head into the settings and tap on your name at the very top. Before you update the software to the latest iOS, I would highly recommend backing up your phone to make sure you don't lose anything through the process. To do that, we're going to tap on iCloud and then iCloud Backup. You'll be able to see the last successful backup on here. And before you update, this is what I always do, is I always tap on the backup now and just go through the process of backing it up. Now let's update to the latest iOS. After we've done that, we can update both the iOS software. This is kind of the operating system of your entire iPhone, but I'll also show you how to update individual apps as well. So to first update the iOS, let's go back to the very beginning, tap on General and Software Update. After you're in here, you'll be able to see if there is a software update. You can swipe down and you'll be able to see it here. Just tap on Update. Keep in mind you do need enough space to be able to download that update onto your iPhone and then of course update it from your iPhone. You can always just tap on beta updates as well and get public beta or developer beta updates if you wanted to get a little ahead of the normal iOS updates. However, the next thing I would recommend doing is heading into the App Store and tapping on your profile at the top right. This will show you all of the apps that you currently have downloaded onto your iPhone, and I would highly recommend updating those so it matches the latest software on your iPhone and you get the latest features as well. So to do that, we can scroll down from here and you might need to swipe down to refresh this. But now you'll be able to see it says update all. I can either tap on that or I can tap on individual apps like Candy Crush if I wanted to update it to get to the latest features. Keep in mind, if I just tap on all, you'll be able to see it will go through this entire list and start updating those apps. I'll be able to see that it's updating those apps because you'll be able to see they kind of start graying out like that Google app. I can always tap on it to pause it if I wanted to, or tap on it to continue, and it will go through all of those apps and constantly update them so that you get the latest features.